jump scare. I'm scared. My hair looks insane. I had my hair done for the last 3 weeks. 3-week trip for my birthday, and I went to the Chris Brown concert, and I went to work. Then I got furloughed, but that's a whole nother story. Wash this here. It's a quick weave, so it's a closure, and yeah, I'm gonna wash her hair today. I don't want to take it out because I feel like I can keep on going. That's our version. Besides the color part is not virgin. The color is organic hair. Don't tell nobody. Look insane. Shampoo, the Do Grow Mega Thick Shampoo, volumizing shampoo. Use this. Y'all, this is the best conditioner I ever used. Like, even on my natural hair, on my weaves, on my wigs. This right here, take a picture. Now I'm gonna use this blow dryer to blow dry my hair out. I put a little makeup on the lace. And it's like it. And I just put it through my hair to make it like silky. And yeah, that's it. She'll burn it up for me, and that's a fact.